Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the project in SDS and immediately placing precise breakpoints where you expect issues. Click the left gutter to toggle breakpoints on target lines. Use method entry points for logic flow. Once done, launch the app in debug mode. Right-click the main class and choose Debug as right arrow Java application, or if using an external JVM, attach via remote debug with host and port. This gets the debugger connected and ready to control execution, so you can inspect real runtime state. Once stopped at a breakpoint, you inspect state using variables and expressions views. You can expand objects to see fields and values. Make sure to use step-into when you want to trace into a method, step over for single-line progress, and step return to finish the current method quickly. Also, add conditional breakpoints when a bug depends on specific data, and create watch expressions to monitor values across steps. These controls let you move through execution deliberately and verify hypotheses about the fault. You complete the run by making a fix and testing it immediately. Edit the code and use hot swap if the JVM supports it, then resume execution or restart the debug session to validate changes. Make sure to use the thread's view and console to correlate log output with thread activity when behavior is unexpected. If the debugger fails to stop or variables look wrong, check breakpoint scope and conditions, rebuild the project to ensure class alignment, or restart the target JVM and reattach the debugger to clear state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.